Welcome to this 5-bedroom house for sale in Bramley Gardens, Johannesburg, Gauteng, South Africa for R2,750,000. An extraordinary spacious family home on ± 2,400 square meters. Serious sellers had to move too big for them. This magnificent double-story family home offers 4 reception areas, very modern kitchen with granite tops, 5 bedrooms that are all carpeted with built-in heaters, 2 bathrooms with main ensuite, double automated garage and a carport for 2 cars. The dining table and built-in braai overlooks the massive immaculate garden and large sparkling pool, 2 staff rooms with outside guest cloakroom, entertainer's dream, and much more. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.